Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, be sure to unplug the appliance before beginning. To replace the blower wheel in your dryer, first remove the screws at the back securing the top panel. Now slide the panel back and lift it off. Next, carefully pull the control panel off from the top. Disconnect the wire harness and set the panel aside. Now remove the screws on top securing the front panel. Open the dryer door and remove the remaining two front panel mounting screws. Now use a flathead screwdriver to depress the locking tabs and pull the front panel forward. Disconnect the door switch wire and lift off the panel. Next, remove the screws securing the support bracket. Detach the support bracket from the frame. Remove the wire harness from the twist retainers and set the bracket aside. Disconnect the light bulb wire and remove the wire harness from the bulkhead twist retainers if you haven't already done so. Now, remove the screws securing the front bulkhead. Remove the blower housing mounting screw as well. Disconnect the moisture sensor wire harness. You can now pull the bulkhead off. Reach under the drum and push the idler pulley to release the tension on the belt. Then unthread the belt from the pulley and motor shaft. You can use the belt to help lift the drum out of the cabinet. Next, remove the screws securing the blower wheel cover and pull the cover off. Use a wrench to secure the motor shaft and a 14mm socket to rotate the blower wheel mounting nut clockwise to remove. Pull the old blower wheel off of the motor shaft. Install the new blower wheel by sliding it onto the motor shaft. Thread the mounting nut on counterclockwise. Secure the motor shaft as you tighten the nut. Replace the blower wheel cover and reinstall the screws to secure. Return the drum to the dryer cabinet and align it on the rear rollers. Loop the belt around the pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Now, rotate the drum to help align the belt. Reposition the front bulkhead on the cabinet frame. Replace the mounting screws. Replace the blower housing screw as well. Reconnect the moisture sensor wire harness. Reconnect the light bulb wire and secure it in the twist retainer. Secure the wire harness in the bulkhead twist retainers. Now secure the wire harness in the support bracket retainers. Realign the support bracket. And secure it with the screws. Replace the front panel by aligning the slots in the panel with the tabs on the base. Reconnect the wire to the door switch and snap the top half of the panel into position. Replace all of the mounting screws. Reconnect the wire harness on the control panel. Then align the tabs on the bottom of the control panel with the slots in the trim and snap the top edge into place. Reposition the top panel by aligning the edge of the panel with the tabs on the support bracket. Then push forward. Replace the screws in the back. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your dryer should be ready for use.